Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kekunhun Menteri Joko Sorkar Meghalaya hakaji alang keberalong hakal laipo tarik julio arja arfun rio kalau menjor ban Pynskhem kam yaki laipo prangot ki Nongtrei ad hoc ki platung kam ha lani shwa ka laipo tarik unok pra arhajar nyo kini kerai kalong kat kum ke Jingpynbud jong ke Supreme Court of India ka ba ailat ya ke Jingpynbud kam shisien yaki Nongtrei ad hoc ki ba biang kat kum ki kendon. Dakani ke jing menjor jong ke kenhun menteri kini ki laipo prangot ki Nongtrei ad hoc ki lalong ki bathamai tam ban yo jing mentoy nak sin jam jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya ban pendap yaki kam basa teng halor ke Jingpynbud kam dakar kom ka ba khoj ka ba shai bat ka ba hoc.
Regularization of services of 38 ad hoc employees appointed on or before 31st December 2007, in respect of whom the original sanction orders are not presently traceable, but whose appointment against sanctioned post have been verified through competent official records. Now, let me explain this in detail. As you're aware that based on Supreme Court ruling, and based on that Supreme Court ruling, cutoff date of 31st of December 2007, way back in 2022 or 23, we had taken a decision that ad hoc employees who had been appointed on sanctioned post but without following the necessary procedures will be regularized by the government. That time the Supreme Court had given us two options. The option number one was that you remove all these ad hoc employees and you go for a fresh recruitment, or you go for a one-time settlement where before 31st of December, those who were appointed ad hoc, you regularize all of them. Obviously, since Supreme Court gave us that option, we took that option and we regularized. So we could have removed all of them and gone for fresh recruitment, but we realized that these employees have been working for a long time and it would not be fair for us to simply remove them. And therefore, since Supreme Court gave us that option, we took it and we regularized 3,000 employees or 2,000 plus employees at that point in time. Later on, a large number of employees whose data was not available with the department when this particular decision was taken again approached the departments, and those employees further gave proof to show that they also were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post before 31st December. And based on that, another 1,000 employees were regularized in the second batch. Again, after many months, a third batch came where another 1,000 employees who were also again ad hoc employees, that means appointed without procedure against sanctioned post, came to us again. And I mean, they didn't come, but departments in the list. And based on that, another 1,000 were regularized. So 4,000 ad hoc employees who were recruited by departments without following proper procedure of recruitment, of interview or examination, but were appointed against sanctioned post, getting scale by the government, were regularized. So that was the story or the phase number 3. Today is phase number 4 of that same procedure. These 38 employees who are there have been receiving their scale as per the sanctioned post that were there. The problem was that there was no letter of sanction from the particular HOD. So therefore, though they were getting the scale, though they were getting the salary as per the sanctioned post and as per the scale that they're supposed to get, the letter sanctioning that particular post was not available with the department. And hence the cabinet had to take a decision whether we will regularize them, because there was no proof to show that the post was actually sanctioned. Therefore, we went into details and we asked the Treasury, we asked the Finance Department that whether these salaries are being paid by the Finance Department in the last many years through the Treasury and whether it is meant for that particular post and whether it's being done on a regular basis. So based on the data and information received from the finance department, we came to the conclusion that though the sanction letter is not available for the sanction of the post, the fact that they are getting salary against a sanctioned post through the treasury for the last many years since they joined is proof to show that this post was sanctioned. Otherwise, they would have never got the salary through the treasury into their account. Based on that data and that evidence that we received, we again took the directors and HODs on board, and we asked them to give an undertaking that yes, these people have been working for these many days. The money from the treasury has been going into their accounts, which proves that this was a sanctioned post. Though the letter is missing, but we certify that this person has been working on an ad hoc basis against a sanctioned post. So after this evidence was received from the departments, and after personnel department has discussed this whole in detail with the finance department, the cabinet today was satisfied with that evidence, and we finally accepted the evidence, and we have agreed to further now to regularize these 38 ad hoc employees appointed on or before 31st of December, in respect of whom the original sanction orders are not presently traceable. So these were the 7 decisions that were taken in the cabinet today.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.